Another exercise. Today we will be showing a single product for each filter context using the value function. Just go on the website, click here, download the file. I have already downloaded the file, so this is the file. So it's saying that open the workbook in the above folder. The aim of the exercise is to complete. Okay, so right now this is the table. So what I will do, I will put the product list here. From the product, is this not in here to in here, like this. I've deleted this. And are we getting accurate? Yes, product list we are getting. Families with product. Okay, so this product list column shows either just xxx. This, if there is another one more product in the filter context xxxyyyy multiple, too many product. If you see, in case you feel creepy sensation in the panic, turn the page for step ahead. Okay, so right now what we have done, we have just, when we click here, we drag this product name in this. So if you see, if I click on the product, you can see that if I select one animal like fox or something, this is with the family name. Okay, so family name, each family name have multiple like product name. So let's say mammal could be, so you can see here that mammal, for the mammal there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so around 9 product names are there in the mammal. So instead of watching these different like same column, same rows for one family, I should like multiple rows. I do not want the multiple rows. I just want one row where all the list is shown. So we will work on that. So what we need to use, we need to use concatenate x values function. So let's check. So we will use the same method we have used earlier. So I will add one measure called product name. And then I will use if function, and we will use not here. If not is filtered from product name animal. Oh, sorry. Uh, we are using not filtered, right? So we will not be using this on the product. We will be using it on the family. And then we will close this. And now we will do the logic test, which is, if for example for fish there is only one and for insect there is also one. So first thing is, we will use if has one value. So if any of these has one value, then it should return us. So for this we will be using product animal. Okay, is this the product animal or product name? What it is, product name. Yeah, product name. So from this column, if with the family name there is only one value, then it should give us just, then it should return us just, only just. Let's say we take the just only, like if there is only one product name, then it will just give us the just, the, for example, this fish just Cleopatra, that's all. Just this and the product name. So we will use as values product name. Okay, we will close this. So this is our true result, and then the false result would be if there are multiple, then it should give us concatenate x. of product table. Do we a product table where the expression is. So instead of this, what we can do, we can take directly the values here and we can write the product name like this, and in expression the product name like this, and we will be delimiting it by, let's say, this, what do you call this, yeah, this function. Okay, or let's say we can do by comma. Okay, and then comma. I don't want to do any of the order by, and I will close everything here. Something is not. Oh, so I have added one column. This. So also not here. Something I have missed. Here is filtered together. So and this is the final we have here. So what I will do, I will take this product name from here and will paste it here. So right now, when we pasted it here, it's not giving us any values because it's not filtering it out properly. So what we will do, so see, earlier you was seeing that when we filtered this down. So now the final logic that we have used here, we have used if not is filtered, like any of these family member is not filtered, then just give us too many. Or and if any of the product name we just has one value with the family, then it should return just Bob, just Cleopatra. And if not, then it should give us the concatenate values for the product name with the comma. So that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.